watch yellow tables sit on their spot. And look how they're sitting crisscross applesauce ready. Red table, show me where you should sit on the carpet. Orange table, come over and show me how you sit on the carpet. Oh, look how they're sitting crisscross applesauce. Atticus, show me how you should be sitting. Blue table and green table, come over. I like how your hand was up. Yes, Jacob.
Is today picture day?
No, babe.
I thought it was her. I thought.
Do you want to keep your head, lay down and keep your head down? Why don't you go back and lay your head down? 'Cause I know it's not. Lay your head down, sweetheart. Okay. All right, teacher. Oh, wait, let's make sure everybody's sitting the way they should be sitting. Okay, Evan, we're ready. Yes, yes.
Today's date is long date.
Okay. Boys and girls, remember, Jacob, we're going to give people a chance to grow their dendrites. So if you give the answer, who's growing the dendrites? Yeah, let Evan grow his dendrites. Evan, that's that month.
August
Good.
3rd, 2016.
Digit.
Digit.
It looks just like that word. Long date, digit.
Date.
Good. Eighth,
Date. Month.
third,
Day. 16. Year.
good. Okay, now we're ready to do this part. Days,
Of the week.
so we had yesterday. Say yesterday was,
Yesterday was Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. Yesterday
okay,
was
let's look at that
Thursday.
carefully. Okay, we can't go to yesterdays, but we can go tomorrow. Say tomorrow.
Tomorrow will be Thursday.
I love how he was reading that, and he made sure he was pointing to the words. Okay, now we're moving over to the calendar. Show us how you know that's the calendar. What are you going to do with that pointer? So you're going to take that pointer and go around, circle, and say,
This is the calendar.
excellent. Today is,
Today's Wednesday.
now I want you to see something. You remember when you were over here and you said this word? What's that word?
August.
That's the same word that's right here.
August. Third.
Good. And now you're going to say the year.
2016.
Excellent. Now tell me something special about August. You can pick anything. What do you want to say about August? Look at the calendar and tell me what you see special. If you want help, you can ask for some help. I like how boys and girls.
4 more days until Josh's birthday.
How did you know that?
I counted these.
Well, can you show us how you would count? Pretend there's kindergartners in the room and they don't know. So, show us how you counted that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, I thought Josh's birthday was right there. And you stopped there. Try it again.
1, 2, 3.
4.
5.
Oh, so you checked yourself and you remember to count each number. Let's count with them. Ready? We don't count that one because this is today. We have to count the next number. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 days. If you got that right, pat yourself on the back and say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Josh. We need our other teacher. I'm
Josh.
sorry. Okay, look at me. When instead of saying, I'm not Josh, how can you say that nicely? Can anybody help?
Yeah.
How can he say it nicely?
My name is Evan.
Okay, try that. Look at me.
My name is Helen.
Oh, that sounds so much nicer because we want to be polite and nice. Okay, who's our next teacher? Tell Evan thank you.
Thank you.
Who's our next teacher? Go ahead.
Today's temperature is 72 degrees Fahrenheit. High 19 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, I'm going to stop you for a second. Can you read that number again for me? Okay, 19. Let's check it.
It's
So-
91
Oh, how did you know that was 91?
because the 9 wasn't fun.
Very good. So that's how you know it's 91. And you can check it on that number grid too. Can you point to 91 on the number grid? Very good. And it's first on there, and it's first right there. You're so smart. Keep going.
High 91 degrees Fahrenheit.
Good. How did you know to put 91 degrees Fahrenheit? What did you have to do? Did you just guess? What did you have to do?
I looked on your phone.
She looked on my phone. So when you're the meteorologist, you have to ask for my phone. And then what did you look for when you got my phone?
I looked for Indianapolis.
She looked for Indianapolis on my phone because there's a lot of places. Then what did you have to do?
And I had to write it down.
You had to write it down. And you had to figure out which one was low and which one was high. And how you figure that out, you gotta look at this number grid. Come over here. When you're looking at the number grid, Shania, what do you need, babe? Okay, remember? You just So show me where 72 is on the number grid. Now pick a friend and point to 91. Oh, she's building her stamina. She's trying to figure out those names. Pick someone.
Anna.
Oh, she remembers Anna. Okay, Anna, can you go point to 91? No, you keep pointing to this one, to 72. And I need, since you're the teacher, where should the teacher stand? Why?
Because we don't want
so they can see. So when you're teaching, you gotta be able to move out of the way so you can see. So Anna, do me a favor, point to 91, and Maddie, point to 72. Which comes first, 72 or 91? Okay, whisper in your hand. Release.
72.
Let's try it again. Whisper in your hand. And release.
71.
Which comes first?
91.
No, which comes first?
71.
Okay, look at who's pointing. Which one of these are coming first? This one or that one?
72.
Okay, it's 72. She's pointing to the first number that we're talking about. And anything that comes after that is the second number. This is the low number. This is the high number because that 7 is smaller than the 9. You look at that first number. Okay. Thank you, teachers. Okay. And now can you finish teaching that part for us? Excellent. Can you tell our teacher thank you?
Thank you.
Who's our next teacher?
Me?
Oh, Atticus is next.
I thought it was me. I always go class.
Yes, yes.
This is the number 3. We are going to count to 0 to 100 by tens.
Oh, notice he told us how we're going to count. So, very good. Go ahead. 0.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay, try one more. What are we going to count by? Shania.
5.
Okay. Okay, now watch what he points to. Because if he's too fast, we can't count and keep up. But if you do it slow enough, we can do it. Okay, ready? 0.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
Excellent. Tell your teacher, Atticus, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, who's next?
I already got it.
Okay. Say class, class.
Class.
Yes,
Yes.
that means flat tire, hands in lap. Let's see who can get their hands in their lap. Josh, show me. Okay.
This is the place value chart. Okay.
What does that number mean, teacher Jacob? What does that number mean? What does that number 6 mean?
That means it's the 6th day. Of school.
Oh, okay. So whenever you put that number in, that's how many days we've been in school. Okay.
Please count the straws with me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
This is, oops, I forgot something. I think I just forgot something. The 5, 6. I have to get the 6.
Okay. And what are you about to teach us? What is that thing called?
The name collection box. First up, keep my pointer. the name collection box.
Okay.
Okay. 6 triangles.
Well, let's check it and make sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Okay. A nickel and a penny. Then I wanted to change.
Okay, so can you count that for us?
6.
Okay, well, it's just not 6. Can you show us what does that nickel mean and what does that penny mean? So can you count it?
5 cents, 1 cent.
So is it 5 cents, 1 cent, or is it 5? If you start at the number line,
The 6
you start with the
cents.
5 and then you jump how much?
1.
So 5 and 1 more is 6. Can you say that count using those coins?
5. 1 more makes 6.
Excellent.
Okay. Tally marks. 1,
Okay.
3.
Go ahead, sweetheart. I'm sorry.
5.
Can you do the tally marks again? Can you erase the tally marks and do them again and show us how we would make tally marks?
Okay.
Because pretend we have some kindergartners in the room
Okay.
and we need to know how to make tally marks.
Okay.
Just pretend. Just pretend. Count out loud.
1,
2,
2,
3, 4.
4.
Can you get a better marker so we can see? Probably that's not working too well.
I'm just gonna get a green one there.
Okay.
A dark green. Because since green is my now favorite color again. Back to the favorite.
1, 2, 3, 4. Cross it on 5, 6. This morning, did you do yours like that?
Yes.
Oh, I hope so. Good, Jacob. Thank you.
Thank
Keep going.
The word 6.
So, use the word 6, and he used it there. Now, what did you do right here?
A picture.
Okay, what
Right
did you?
down here.
Okay, so you use that chart to help you.
Yep.
When you get stuck, what can you do? Raise your hand. What can you do when you get stuck and can't think? I don't know what to do next. What can you do? Okay. What can you do, Molly?
Look up on the board.
What am I looking at on the board?
What you're gonna do.
Can you go up there and show me? Jacob, can you keep that closed? But you're not done yet, babe. Come back. Well, that's what Jacob did. Wonder if those weren't there, Molly. How do you know what to do for your name collection box in your number book? What would you look at?
You could
Okay, wait. Pardon me?
You could ask a friend.
No, but you don't have to ask a friend if you look. Okay. Josh, go up. Don't move, Molly. Stay up there, babe. You can look at that, what?
Great job.
What's
The
that
name
called?
collection box of 6.
Yeah, that's a chart. Everyone say chart.
Chart.
Now, let me tell you a college word for that chart.
Again?
Yes, again, because you're learning college words. Everyone say anchor chart.
Anchor chart.
That is going to be on the board to help you know what to do next. Okay, thank you, Josh. Now, Molly, here's my question. If you don't know what to do in your number book for the name collection box, where are you going to look? What's that called?
Name collection box.
Well, this is a name collection box, but it's on a piece of paper. What's that paper called? You want some help?
All people are a little help.
Okay, whisper.
Okay. It's like you can do anything.
Okay, well, let's think about it. Josh, can you go back up there and say what that is?
Anchor chart.
Very good. Use that college word, anchor chart. What is that called, Jacob?
Anchor chart.
Excellent. So, going back, You said you did a picture, and what did you draw a picture of? Thank you, Molly.
Triangles.
Okay, triangles. I love how you made those triangles. If you're not sure how to make a triangle, what can you do?
Look up there.
Look up where, babe?
Up there where the triangles are.
But what if they weren't up there?
I would just walk up there and make a new one.
Okay, but what if you don't know how to make a new one? What would you do? What would you do, Angelina?
You would ask somebody else.
Okay, and what if someone else doesn't know how to do it?
You can ask the grown-up.
Oh, who's the grown-up can you ask?
You.
Exactly. So if you're not sure, ask a friend or ask Mrs. Johnson. What are you thinking, John?
You can look up there.
Oh, you're so smart. You're reading the room. Look right there. There's a triangle. Did you notice that triangle?
Yeah.
Some people did. You did, Evan? Excellent. Okay, tell your teachers thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Go ahead and have a
Thank
seat
you.
at your table.
Thank you.